Hello guys, magre-renew po tayo ng passport kasi po mag-expired na yung ating passport para pag uuwi, just in case, go na. Andito na po ako sa Service Canada and papasok na po tayo sa loob para mag-renew ng passport. Ayan po yung ating picture. Alis na po tayo. Ayan na po yung yan po yung Service Canada. Nakikita niyo po yun doon. Malayo po. Yan, ito paligid. So, let's get inside. Dito na po tayo. Magre-renew tayo ng passport. Ayan na po. What a nice day. Yung Service Canada. Ayan po yung Service Canada. There you go. Magre-renew tayo ng passport. Service Canada. Malamig po ang paligid ko. Let's go inside. This is where the inside of the Service Canada. I'm just waiting. Done guys. It's only takes 10 minutes. Kasi walang tao. There's no line up for renewal the passport. So tapos na ako. Let's go home. Let's go for shopping for a bit. Window shopping lang po. And just like I said, this is my baby. It's a nice weather today guys, very nice.